Hello? Vince? Can you hear me?
Yeah, did you pick up the game today?
Yeah, I just picked it up. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, it's got a lot of great reviews. I was just about to go play some matchmaking. Wanna play with?
Yeah, I guess I can play a couple games, but only for a little bit.
Alright, well, here we go.
Did you send it?
Yeah, I'm sending it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
Sorry.